6 ways to use potatoes very few people know about. We all know that potatoes can be cooked in dozens of delicious ways, and maybe that's all. Yet it turns out this veggie can be used for cleaning silverware, lightening underarms, and even creating some works of art. Solution Provider has made a list of 6 unexpected situations where potatoes can become your best friend. Enjoy. 1. Get rid of rust easily. First, you need to cut it in half. Then take some baking soda, table salt, or dish detergent. Dip the cut part of the potato in what you've chosen and rub it over the rusty item until it's clean. If your potato has lost its magic properties, cut off a small slice, and repeat the process described above. Rinse your item with water and let it dry. Done. 2. Treat your burns. Take a couple of potatoes, wash them thoroughly, and cut them into thin slices. If you're not into cutting, you can grate it, or even blend it to get a juicy paste. These ways are messier but give your skin more of the nice cooling juice it needs. Use gauze and cotton pads to secure the compresses to your skin. Apply the slices, or whatever you've chosen, to the affected area, leave them for 10 to 15 minutes, remove, and wash your skin with cool water. If you're dealing with boiling water or similar burns, potato slices won't do. Here the potato's juice works like magic, and slices can hurt badly, so go for raw potato mash. It's the most delicate and wet way. Gently apply the mash to the burn and leave it on until the pain disappears. It may take anywhere from 10 minutes to several hours, so keep calm, and change the mash when it turns brown. Remember, the faster you react, the better the result will be. 3. Kiss stains goodbye. To do this, wash a couple of raw potatoes and grate them in a bowl filled with 0.5 liters, 0.1 gallons, of water. Then remove the grated potato and add the same amount of water. Wait for 10-15 minutes. Use a sponge to treat the stain with potato water, rub, and wash with clean cold water afterward. 4. Keep your leather shoes clean and shiny. Cut a raw potato into halves. Rub over the entire surface of your shoes. Leave for 5 minutes. At this stage, they look matte and somewhat dull. Don't worry, it's absolutely okay. Wipe the shoes with a soft dry cloth until they're shiny again. 5. Save blackened silverware. Cut and boil a couple of potatoes. When they're done, remove them. You'll only need the water. Put your tarnished silver into the potato water and leave for an hour. Take it out and use a soft brush to clean your silverware thoroughly. Rinse the items with clean water and let dry or wipe with a paper towel. 6. Lighten your armpits. Way number 1, wash a potato and slice it. Massage your armpits with the slices for about 3 minutes. Wait half an hour, to give the potato juice a chance to work. Rinse your armpits with cool water and gently dry with a towel. Way number 2, cut and blend a clean potato until smooth. Put the potato mash on your armpits and leave for 10 minutes. Rinse with cool water and dry with a towel. Both ways should be repeated twice a day for at least 4 weeks for visible results. Which one surprised you the most? Have you tried any of these? Or maybe you know other awesome uses for potatoes? Share in the comments below.